because we only have 40 minutes. This is a free account, so we need to proceed. Okay, so as what I mentioned, we will have to review the family and relationships. Shen, dear, can you please turn on your camera? So let's start with the immediate family first. So who can who can sign the immediate family? Okay, so let's start. So letter F, family, family. Okay, and then letter R, this is relative. Okay, relative. Pero usually, ginagamit din siya for relation and then ship. Relation, ship. Okay, so let's start with father. Okay, father, and then mother. So again, from the nose to the top, that is the male gender. And then nose going down to your face, that's the female gender. Okay? So again, let's start family, relationship. Okay? Father, mother, brother. So letter B. So nasa upper part siya ng face. Brother. Okay? Brother. And then letter S. Nasa babang side naman siya. Sister. Sister. Okay? So there are times na this is the sign for brother. Brother. And then this is the sign for sister. Sister. Kaya kung manonotice ninyo whenever I do interpreting, when the preacher says brother and sisters, I just do brother, sisters. Or brother and sister. Hindi ko na siya ginaganon. So, diretso na ako. B, S, pa ganun na. Okay? So, brother, sister. Okay. Next is son. So, yung ball cup, son. Son. Kasi di ba this is the sign for baby? Okay? Baby. So, usually, son, daughter. Okay? So, review natin. Father, mother, brother, sister, baby, and then son, son, and then daughter, daughter. Okay. Next, parents. Usually, may ibang def na ang sign nila ng parents is letter P, parents. Parents. Pero ako, ang ginagamit ko na lang is father, mother. Okay, father, mother, parents. Next, child. Okay? Kasi remember nyo, di ba kapag bata, usually tinatap siya sa head. So, child, and then children. Child, children. Sinong nakakaalala ng sign ng kid? So, horn sign, and then, ganyan. Kasi ang katwiran ng mga deaf, yung mga kid daw, the way they describe kid is yung merong sipon dito. So, that's why I like this. Okay? So, meron daw sipon. Okay? So,
Hey, you okay?
so usually ganun naman talaga po. Okay? So, so anyway, so kid, and then
Kid.
child, and then children. Okay? Next, husband. So, di ba ito yung
Yeah.
ball cup? Oh, very
Uh,
good. Si na JA, husband.
husband.
Husband. Kasi this is the
Hus-
sign for
E.
spouse. Spouse. So, husband, wife. Husband,
Ay, ganun.
wife. Okay? So,
Ay.
kapag sinabi naman nating groom, boy, and then wedding. This is the sign for wedding. Wedding.
Mm.
So, groom, and then this is the bride. Okay? Groom, and then bride. Okay. Next, twin. Letter T, twin. Twin. Okay? So, from the top tayo. So, family, relationship. Okay? Father, mother, brother, sister. What's next? Baby,
Baby.
baby,
Ay,
son, daughter. Okay? Next, parents, and then kid, child, children. Okay? Next, husband, wife, groom, bride. Okay? How do you sign spouse? Spouse. Very good. Spouse. Okay? Twin, twin. Letter T, twin. Okay. Next,
we don't have rice. You can just have.
extended family. So, lolo, okay, lolo, lola, lola, and then letter U, uncle, and then letter A, aunt. Okay? Next, cousin. Letter C, since hindi natin alam yung gender ni cousin, so nandito lang siya sa middle.
Middle.
Okay? So again, reminder, do not do like that na movement. Alright? Kasi that is what?
Crazy.
Crazy. Okay? So again, repeat natin. So lolo, lola, uncle,
Huh?
aunt, cousin. Okay? Next. Letter N. Pero usually nakaganyan lang yung letter N nila. And nephew,
Nephew.
and then niece.
Niece.
Nephew, niece.
Nephew and niece.
And the in-laws. How do you sign in-laws? Diba? In-laws. So this is the sign kasi ng law, attorney. So kapag sinabi mong in-laws, literal sila mag-senyas ng in-laws. This is the sign for in. This is the sign for
In.
out. So,
Uh,
in-laws. So, one time may nagtanong sa akin, Ange, paano mo isisenyas yung mommy-in-law or mother-in-law? So,
Hmm.
sasign ka lang ng mommy or mama, in, law. O kaya, father-in-law. Alright? Next. Stepfather, napaka-literal ng stepfather nila. So, this is the sign for step. Okay? Stepfather or stepmother. Pero if titignan natin yung definition ng stepfather or stepmother, second father or second mother. Okay? So, ulitin natin ulit. Lolo, lola, uncle, aunt, cousin, nephew, niece, in-laws, okay, in-laws, and then stepfather or second father, stepmother or second mother. Okay? Next, half brother. So, this is the sign for half. So, 1, 2. Half, and then brother, and then half sister. So, yung 1/2, di ba, 1 tapos 2, yung 1/2. So, ang senyas ng mga def ng 1/2 is pahalang or pa ganon na sign. Pagka nandito, 1 pa lang siya, and then naging 2. Half. Okay? Kasama yung mouthing doon. Half brother. Half sister. Okay? So, half. Half. Next, yung apo. 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 So, lolo, lola, apo. Okay? Apo. Alright? Next, ninong. Very good. This is the ninong. Okay? And then, ninang. Ninong and ninang. Malapit na ang Pasko. Magtatago na ulit ako. Ninong and ninang. Okay? So, repeat natin from the top. Kasi baka nakalimutan na. Okay. Family, relationship. Okay? Father, mother, brother, sister, baby, son, daughter, okay, parents, kid, and then child, children, and then husband, or this is the spouse, and then husband, wife, groom, bride. Okay? And then twin. Twin. Okay, next. Lolo, lola, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, cousin, in-laws, and then stepfather or stepfather, and then stepmother or second mother, and then half brother, half sister. Okay? So, just be careful lang sa pag-half ha. half brother, and then half sister. Okay? And then apo, apo, and then ninong, ninang. Ninong, ninang. Next, people in general. Okay? So, paano nga yung child? How do you sign child? Okay, child. So, if it's a boy, ball cap, and then like this. Boy, girl. Okay? Boy, girl. And then kapag man, man, okay? Man, woman, woman. Next, adult. Letter A, adult, adult. And then old. So, old. May ibang def, ang senya sila ng old pa ganon. Old. Kasi yung balbas daw dito. So, old. Old or old. Okay, old.
Yeah, you can have it.
And then next
You can
is
dip it.
young. So, bent B hand shape, young.
Take it some more.
Okay,
No,
like
no.
this ha. Kasi if you do like this is the sign for animals.
Oh.
Okay? So, pataas na ganon. Young. Young. Next, friend. Friend. Every Sunday, kapag nagkikita kami ni Ken, lagi niya sinasabi, "Hi, friend." So, friend. Okay? How do you sign best friend?
Okay.
Best friend.
Ay, well.
Okay? Or best friend.
Ayan.
All right? And then next, neighbor. Neighbor. Okay? Next, letter P, partner. Partner. Okay? Partner. Next, sweetheart. Paano yung sweetheart? Oh, very good ah. Naalala ng mga young ones ah. Parang ito lang ang inalala nyo ha. This is the sign for sweetheart. So bakit? Kasi these are considered two people agreeing one another. And then you have to put it in the heart. Sweetheart. Okay. Next. Lady. Lady. So, lady. Lady. Paano kapag gentleman? Gentleman. Gentleman. Okay? Gentleman, lady.
Like this.
Okay?
In here. Oh, no, damn it.
So, from the top. So, sorry. Boy. Nalito na. Boy.
Boy.
Girl. Man. Woman. Okay? Next. Adult. So, letter A yon, adult. And then, young. Young. Old. Old or old. Young and then old or old. Okay? Next, friend. Friend. Best friends or best friend. And then neighbor. Neighbor. Okay? Partner. Letter P, partner. partner, and then sweetheart, sweetheart, gentleman, lady, lady. So, kanina, di ba, tinuro ko sa inyo friend or best friend. Pagka enemy, this is enemy. Enemy. Okay? Enemy. Kasi this is the sign for away. Away. So, dapat talaga nagsasalubong silang ganyan. Kasi kapag ginanyan mo siyang senyas, that's the sign for struggle. Okay? So, enemy. Enemy. So, away, tapos person sign. Okay? Next, sa profession. This is the sign for profession or career. So, this is the sign for teach. Okay? Teach. Right? So, this is the person sign. So, teacher. Teacher. Okay? Next, doctor. Letter D, doctor. So, D. Letter D tayo. Okay? Doctor. May ibang deaf, nagsasenya sila na ganyan, doctor. Kasi chine-check daw yung pulse. Kaya lang kasi, para ma-identify mo siya between nurse and doctor, so letter D is doctor. Okay? Doctor. Letter N is nurse. Okay? Nurse. Pharmacist. This is the sign for medicine. Pharmacist. Pharmacist. Okay? Pharmacist. Okay. Patient. Nung minsan tinanong yung patient, how do you sign patient? Yung deaf sinabi niya pa ganito, patient. But this is the sign for character. So pagka patient, letter P, patient. Okay? Patient. Next, police. May ibang deaf ang sign nila ng police is pa ganito kasi yung badge ng police.
Okay.
Pero karamihan sa Filipino deaf is like this, police. So itong gantong hand shape and then police. Okay? Police. And then soldier, letter S, soldier. So, kasi lagi silang, di ba, nandito yung rifle nila, soldier. So, kapag army, army. Kapag guard, letter G, so G siya, guard. Okay? So, ulitin lang natin, ha? Teach, sure. Teach, sure. Doctor, doctor. Nurse, nurse. And then pharmacies, pharmacies. Next, patient, patient. And then police, police. Okay. And then soldier, soldier. Letter A, army, army. And then security guard, letter G, guard. Okay, guard. Pero may mga senyas kasi, this is the sign for guard din. Guard. Guard na meaning you are guarding something or another person. So this is the sign for guard. Pero if we are talking about security guard, this is the sign. Guard. Okay? Guard. Okay. Next. President. President. All right. President. Vice President is VP. VP. Next, sabi ni Zoom, 10 minutes na daw. Senator. Senator. Letter S. Senator. So this is the sign for Senate. This is the person sign. Senator. Congressman. Congressman. Okay? And then mayor, letter M. Mayor, letter M tayo. Mayor. And then vice mayor. Vice mayor. Okay? Next, councilor. This is the sign for Congress or council. So, kaya para hindi tayo malito, congressman and then councilor. Councilor. Okay? So, question. Stop ko na yung